Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming at you with a DIY. What I want to do in this video is actually transform this yeehaw sign that I got, I want to say last year sometime from Hobby Lobby when they were having their clearance off of their home decor. You know, they have that usually in the summertime. Well, anyway, I got this for $7.50, I think. Let me see, because there's another price. Yeah, I got this for $7.50, and it was regularly priced $27.99. But anywho, when I saw it, I had to get it, and I have the perfect spot for this. But I wanted you guys to see how I'm going to transform this sort of, I guess, rustic charm or country farmhouse look and change it into something a little bit different. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all, we are outside and I'm about to spray paint my little yeehaw wooden sign with this Krylon premium metallic sterling silver paint. I'm going to use this as sort of a primer or a base, and then I'm going to use, sorry about making y'all dizzy, this Rust-Oleum bright coat metallic finish. So let's get started. Okay, y'all. I know I probably made you guys dizzy, but I'm just trying to make sure that I got all the nooks and crannies. The sun's starting to set, so the color's looking kind of funny, but it has a beautiful metallic sheen, and it's really hard to tell because of how the sun's setting, and then there's a tree right here, so it's kind of blocking the light, but it looks really pretty. I'm almost kind of liking it looking like it is now without adding the metallic finish one. This one is supposed to be sterling silver. We'll see what it looks like once it completely dries, and then we'll go from there. So I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go over the top with the other one and see how that works. So see you in a bit. Okay, y'all, we are dry with the first layer of paint. I kind of tested this metallic finish, the rich shiny finish, fast drying, Rust-Oleum, bright coat, whatever. Anyway, I tested it right here, and I like the fact that it has sort of a shine, more of a shine than the previous one, which was this Krylon metallic sterling silver, but it was a great base. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray the top with this one, and we'll be done as far as painting. So giving it a light coat, and I'm downwind, so let me get back over here. And I have everything, or have the sign, should I say, on this box. Because as you can see, I previously spray painted my driveway here. So, I decided to use a box this time. So, yeah. So, it's pretty breezy. So, this is going to dry really quickly, just like the other coat did. So, Can't wait to finish embellishing this little sign. So see you in a bit, y'all. Okay guys, my yeehaw sign is all dry, and I love how it looks with the two different coats of spray paint. I did the sort of sterling silver as a base or a primer, and then I did the chrome on top, which was like a metallic-y chrome kind of finish, and it looks really nice just like it is. So what I'm gonna do now is actually coat just the Y in some glitter. I want a little bit of sparkle. This is something that I want to hang up and use all year, not just for Christmas. And I want it to have that glam feel because it's going in the Diva space. So I'm just going to bling out the Y and leave the rest as is. But it's just a little sort of boring, I think. Just, you know, without any sparkle, you know, to it or whatever. So what I did was, and here, let me go ahead and put my wax paper down so that I can keep the surface clean and recycle any glitter. What I did was I took 4 different types of glitter. I took this just regular old silver glitter, and then I took this tinsel glitter. I don't know what it's called. I guess it's just tinsel glitter. But anyway, it's got more of a, I guess, a thicker and chunkier feel to it. But it looks like little pieces of tinsel. So I took those and some of this Dollar Tree glitter that I depotted and I put into these little containers. But this is a little bit thicker than this one, so I mixed that in. And then I also took more of the Dollar Tree glitter, but in this old gold color. It's sort of a tarnished kind of gold color. And mix just a little bit in there because it gives it a little dimension and it gives more depth and sparkle to it once it's applied. So I took all these and I mixed them in this little container right here. And I know my light is not doing any justice to this, but once it's applied, you'll kind of see what I'm talking about. But just that little bit of gold in there adds a lot of dimension to the silver glitter. So we're ready to go. I have my Mod Podge, and the one that I'm going to use is the Super Gloss Mod Podge because I want it to shine as much as it possibly can. So I'm just going to take it straight out of the container with just a regular old paintbrush here and paint on the Y. So here we go. And it doesn't have to be a really thick layer. Just enough for that glitter to grab onto. We're going to do it in sections so that it won't take long to dry. And then what I'm going to do is actually go over the top with a spray adhesive. I'm not going to try to go over it with, you know, more Mod Podge on the brush, so to speak. And I'm just doing the top, so I'm going to go in with the back of the brush and some paper towel and get that little part that kind of oozed in. Okay, so making sure I get a nice surface on here, and then I'm gonna start sprinkling. Okay, so here we go. I know I'm going to be sparkling for days, honey. Anytime I work with glitter, that's what usually happens. So, there we go. Looks like I'm going to have to mix up some more. Okay. Take my sign. Dump off the excess and see, I love that. Little bit of sparkle. So make sure I get as much as I possibly can off, and then I'm just gonna pour this little bit back into the container as best as I can, honey. And There we go. And we'll finish off this Y. So you guys know what I'm doing. So I'll be back once all this is covered and we'll start from there. See you in a bit. Okay guys, so my yeehaw sign is all done and I've hung it above my vanity right here. Excuse the mess. I'm in here decorating for the holidays and I'm doing a deep clean as I go. But yeah, so I put it here. Initially I wanted it over here above the sofa, but the sign's a little too small, so I'm gonna figure out something else to go over here. But I do like how it looks above the vanity, so that's where it's gonna stay. I love the sparkliness of it and everything. I know the lighting is like really crappy. It is dark, as you can see, but yeah, I like how it looks over here because it was a little blank space up there, so that works out pretty good. Loving it. What I'm gonna do now is actually turn on my vanity lights and turn off the overhead. Maybe you can get a better view of how it looks. I love how the glow from the vanity lights kind of uplights it, or you know, gives it a nice little, you know, ethereal look, I guess. I don't know, but anywho, I like how it looks in here, so it worked out pretty good. A quick and easy DIY. Like I said, I got the sign on clearance from Hobby Lobby last year, and I'm just now getting around to finding something to do with it, and I really like how it looks. So yeah, and it reflects my personality. You know, that's what I try to be about in this space here, you know, the things I like, and again, my personality and stuff. I'm a country girl at heart. Well, anywho, tell me what you think about it down below. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And stay tuned for more DIYs. I'm actually working on one right now. So look forward to that. And until my next video, I'll see y'all then. Bye.